What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build Cool again. Now, it may be hard to tell, but this week we're back to work with our 1986 Honda Helix CN250. And in this episode, we're gonna start to redesign this thing. So, I've been riding it. I really enjoy it. It's really fun. It's really stable on the road. I like that there's no transmission really with the CVT, but I enjoy custom bikes. I enjoy custom everything. And this thing's just very stock to me. And so when I had all the body panels off of it, I really felt inspired by that. I really liked the simplicity of it, just the ease of access to it, and I kind of feel like I could do something cool by stripping this thing down and doing something really different. So we're gonna go through, even though I already bought a seat and replaced all this stuff, we're gonna ditch all the body panels on this thing and start over. So I'm gonna go ahead, get you guys set up, we'll untarp it. From there, we'll get everything all stripped off this thing, so that way it'll be more compact. I'll be able to load it up, transport it up to the shop, and then I'll be able to meet with you guys again, and we can go through this thing, and I'll explain to you what I have planned for this. But before we get started, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building cool. And with all that being said, let's get started. So it's a few days later, and we managed to get the Helix down to the shop. And I don't know if you guys can see it here, but this thing takes up all of my workroom. It leaves me very little room to kind of get around here and be able to pull the drawers out on the toolbox. So it's going to be tight working with this thing in here. But I think we'll make it work. So I'm going to go through. I need to get the plastics pulled off the handlebars. There's a piece of plastic from the inner fender still in there. I want to get the front piece off the radiator. I just need to get all the plastic stuff off so I can start marking where all the wires go and what they are. And yeah. So I'm going to go through, get you guys set up. We'll get the rest of those plastic panels pulled off the front here. And then that'll leave me to be able to mark all the wires off camera. And then in the next episode, we can go through and get everything pulled off the front so we can start fabricating our headlight mounts. And I'll start showing you guys what I've got planned for this thing and the parts I've picked up already for this. So, with all that being said, let's keep going. So not only did we get all the body panels back off of this thing, but we also got her down here to the shop. So now, off camera, I'll go ahead and mark out where all the wires are going in the front of this thing. So that way, when I start removing it all and I go to relocate it, I know what everything goes to. So it'll make things a little bit easier and I'm not guessing. So then in the next episode, we'll go through and pull everything off the front of this thing so we can start the transformation to make this one custom scooter. But before we get out of here, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building cool shit. And with all that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace!